Okay, we got water on. There's our battery connected. There's our fuel tank. We'll just turn the key on. You can hear the main power relays just kicked in. Okay, let's see if it starts. Pumping water. We've got some numbers. Coolant's 28, revs 630. We've got all good numbers. Oil pressure, wow, oil pressure's excellent. 340 kpi at idle. Fuel flow's nice. Seawater pressure. I've got a 4% Guardian available. Not exactly sure what that is, but I'm sure when we put the engine in the boat, that'll actually come up once I've cleared the codes. Okay, I'll just shut it down.